So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to format text as a monostyled font here on the Apple Notes application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Apple Notes. Once that is done, type in whatever you want. So I'll just type in right here, monostyle font, just like that. Now if you wanted to make this monostyled font actually monostyled, double tap right here, the entire thing. So I'll just stretch that right here. In the middle it says a capital A, lowercase a. Right above the keyboard, press on that. Where it says format right here, you have title, heading, subheading, body, monostyled, just like this. Press on monostyled, then press on done, and there you go. Your text is now formatted as monostyled font. So super straightforward, super duper simple, but that is how to format text as monostyled font here in Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.